Dear customer, we know that you've been fighting both tooth and nail to make money by leaps and bounds. You've been trying quite a lot of things for so long: content marketing, SEO, blogging, social media marketing, and yet feel that the profits you earned were not up to the mark. If so, today we have got you a chance to try your luck with something that will take your breath away. Did you know that the self-help industry holds a market size of $20 billion and the growth rate is still increasing at the rate of 6.5% every year? And by 2022, the self-improvement market is forecasted to post 7.6% average yearly gain. Yes, don't scratch your eyes. These figures are absolutely realistic. But do you know why? The answer is very simple. In regard to being successful and developing a millionaire mindset, people ought to be optimistic, confident, and have a clear set of goals to target. But most people meet with disaster on all the above and lose the battle of success. It is estimated that more than 50% of new businesses fail within 5 years of getting started, and only 40% of the small businesses are profitable. 30% break even, and another 30% are continuously losing money. Everything here comes down to your mindset and the work-life disciplines. Only with a success-oriented mindset, you can run the show of success and become a millionaire. But are we actually doing anything to inculcate this mindset in our lives and still be alive? Bootstrapping your success is crucial, and that is the reason self-help and improvement niche has amazingly become the #2 fastest growing industry worldwide. With each passing second, thousands of people are seeking ways to hit a home run and become filthy rich and successful. And yes, they are ready to fork over money for it. Think about it. Who does not want to be a millionaire in life? To make everything simple and easy for you, we are providing you with our comprehensive info product on becoming successful and developing $1 million mindset to hit the jackpot. The best part is no product creation, no outsourcing headaches, and no marketing experience required. We're enabling you with one of the fastest and easiest ways to strike it rich and grease the wheels of your success. Yes, we're providing you with a time-sensitive opportunity to get access to a top-notch, high-converting product. Introducing $1 Million Mindset with PLR. That means you can sell it under your own name and keep 100% of the profits. Self-help and improvement industry is evergreen, high in demand, and hot. It's gaining momentum rapidly. So here's exactly what you're going to get in this. Number 1, professionally written training guide. Number 2, professional graphics. Number 3, animated banners. Number 4, high converting sales copy. Number 5, mini sites. Number 6, customer sales video. Number 7, professionally written email swipes. Number 8, legal pages. Number 9, social media graphics. Number 10, PDF graphics. Number 11, 10 unique articles bundled into one. Number 12, other selling materials like mind map, cheat sheet, and top resource report. This is a comprehensive info guide. We'll give you the precise, concrete, and well-researched information to start on the jaunt of becoming a millionaire with the perfect hunch to overcome the roadblockers to your success and get the best results for your investment. We're providing you with the cutting-edge tips and techniques to establish yourself as an authority in this diverse and evergreen niche and get money rolling into your pocket by targeting your valuable customers. It's a comprehensive gateway to multiple power streams of income. You can start making countless bucks today and continue it for months endlessly because you're offering them with something that they are searching for since long. Real skills to develop what they can use to better their own life. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started today. Buy this jam-loaded product. Put your name on it. Sell and keep 100% of the profit. Remember, this has a value of more than $4,000, plus the pain involved in getting it done. But we're providing you a time saver to set your foot into this evergreen niche by providing you a high-quality product that you can sell under your own name at dirt cheap prices. Means you will get extensive results in a limited time. Don't wait. This is a dime sale. The price will go up with every sale. Try your hand in this fast-growing and enormous industry today. Take action now.